The combination between theory and practice, that background of understanding conflict and negotiation and interpersonal and intergroup relations, that's what really sold me on it. The study abroad experience was the experience of a lifetime. We did the Israel-Palestine trip. The way the class was taught, you spend a lot of time with each professor, so you really get to build on that relationship too. And I still contact most of my professors, even now, on a regular basis.
The different things that I'm learning, I've been able to, one, associate it with, the students that I see. I'm an academic advisor in Coast College of Business. And then also being able to acknowledge some of the concepts that we're going in just through the organization piece. I see conflict management in a lot of what I'm actually going through.
I like the international focus of the program and the interdisciplinary nature of the program. That gives us the flexibility to look at areas in international cultural dynamics, in economics of conflict, in theories of international conflict management, and in research methodology ultimately. There are faculty here who are very well published, and they are empowering. They do not just empower you, but they challenge you to bring that best out of you. And they challenge you not just by saying, but by doing. And collaboratively, they publish with students, and this brings the best out of you.
So international conflict management focuses on conflict management, resolution, and peace building, but the approach is very interdisciplinary. So I have a communication background, and I get to use that and tie that into how we manage conflict, how we resolve it, and even looking at peace building strategies through communication. But other students have taken a business management approach, a strategy approach, historical narratives, even digital technology. All of that fits into the way that Kennesaw State does international conflict management.
The Center for Conflict Management resides in the School of Conflict Management, Peacebuilding and Development. It is a support system for the graduate programs, for the master's and the Ph.D. programs in conflict management in the school. The center also provides professional development training in mediation, facilitation, and that is for USG employees, not just exclusive to Kennesaw, but also the Kennesaw community. So if somebody is an attorney and wants mediation training, they can call me up when we have classes and come participate.
It's been instrumental to my success, especially at the Fulton County ADR office. I ended up being a registered neutral in the state of Georgia. That was a definitely big step for me. I ended up being on the roster for Fulton County Superior Court as a mediator. In my first year as a mediator on their roster, I had over 70 cases, included business, construction cases, domestic violence, family. Without the training I received, none of that would came to fruition.
I was completely in awe of Dr. Susan Raines and her breadth of knowledge and her absolute ability to entertain and teach at the same time. And we would be so engaged that at the end of the day, even though we were exhausted, we'd look and we were like 30 minutes past. I just learned a tremendous amount from her, and it totally improved my practice.
It's a great program. Do it.
It's amazing. It really is.
Ultimately, it is even the best decision I've ever made in my life.